Well, so we're going to have a look at adding CSS styling to our little switch button application that we used a while ago. Let's have a look at where we're up to. Okay. So we've got our switch button, get startups and all the rest of it. So yeah, this is where I was just experimenting, but yeah. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we down the bottom here. What's this doing? Adding a row to it. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, that's where I was. Alright, let's remove some of any of this anymore. Where I was experimenting. Load auto start, clear auto start, blah blah blah, button click, toggle. Don't need any of those. So I'll remove them. Here. Alright, so we get rid of actually we'll get rid of all of this. Don't need those. Self-add main box. And here what we're going to do is we're going to add a frame. UDK frame. Then we're going to add a button. So we'll go. We'll just call it button. UDK button. Now, what we want to do with this button, right, is we want to set a name to it. So here we'll just say button 1, but then we want to say button, and we want to say set name. Now this is going to be used in the style, so we'll just say button 1 for now for the name. So we're going to pack the frame into this, and then we're just going to say frame.add button. So this should give us a frame and a button. There we go. So we've got the button down the bottom with the frame around it. Now we're saying pack end with this. So what I might do, let's get rid of the size request. Actually, I'll leave size request. We'll just say 100 squared. There we go. So that's a bit easier to see. Now, also what I would do. Width will say 180, height will say 50. There we go, now it's a bit bigger. You can sort of see the frame just around it, you can't really see it, so This is where CSS was going to come into it. So do say new file, the main CSS, and what we want to do is we're going to go frame star, so everything in the frame, and we want to say padding, and we'll just give it a padding of 20 pixels. Then we want to say button, but we want it to be button 1, and we can make some changes to that. So we can say color yellow now. Then we want to where am I? So now we want to, so now we're going to go where am I? Say Style Pro. CSS provider. We'll go Style Pro. Load from path. Our path is just going to be straight up main.css. Add provider. It's lowercase. Let's have a look. What have I done here? Style Pro. Full screen, that's right. Trying to do it by memory and trying to GDK screen dot get defaults. Defaults Style Pro. Priority application. I think that's right. Let's give it a go. Add provider for screen. GDK is not defined, so that's an easy fix. GDK. There we go. Now we've got the padding around it. Button text is yellow. Now let's go to here and let's say border color. There we go. That's also setting border color of the button, and I don't really want that. So what I'll try without the... I don't think it works if you don't have the star. Yeah, it doesn't work without the star for some reason. What if I do box frame? Alright. It's a bit of a temperamental one, this one, so we're going to have to sit here and say watercolor for this one, transparent. There we go. So that's how you do the CSS side of things. Now you can style your application, your buttons and all the rest of it. So we can also say background color, you can say violet. And then we can take this, copy it, and say hover. And we can say color white and background color black. So when we hover over it, it changes color. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So I've been working on that with the flogout and making it all customizable through CSS and that. I thought it would be a good little project to show everyone else. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. I thought this was going to go a hell of a lot longer than what it has. That's why I streamed instead of made it into a video. But anyway, yeah, it's turned out alright. So that's how you do it. So it's too long. Should solve that problem for us. So yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me, and hopefully you guys learned something through this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.